Super VR ball.
It's pretty bad that we already know this map.
Clear.
Yeah.
Clear.
Oh, poor.
Go.
Shit. I fucked that one up.
Hello there.
Clear.
Kinda fucked that one up.
Yeah.
Balls. Where's the other guy?
He's coming. He just died. There you are. There's skills.
Go.
Yeah. Yay. Damn. I really do suck at this game.
Balls.
Ah! How am I sucking at this now?
Clear.
I'm in.
Have it.
Melon Mania.
Melon Mania. Screw the
Nope,
melons.
fuck that. Yep.
Clear.
Oh, nice, you got
Screw
me
the
first.
melons. No one cares about the melons.
Race.
Go on LED keyboard, don't kill me now.
Oh, that's what I had to do. Slow down.
Clear.
Damn, that was actually my best time.
Nice. I'm getting better at this too.
That's the best time for me too.
I think we need to, like, tell him to, slow down a little bit.
Hey.
Oh, I
The
know.
floor is lava.
Oh, hell yeah.
Oh no, it's this.
Fuck!
I thought I did something.
Clear.
Slow down, everybody. Slow down. Slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down.
And they're trying to do what I do and realizing that they can't do what I do.
Hey, slow down, slow down. There wins.
Yeah,
Did you
ignore
sneeze?
what Rainbow's doing. Ignore what Rainbow's doing.
Ah, I fucked. Oh, dude, did I just screw that up? I hate the rails on this. I really do.
So do I. Oh shit.
Clear.
Damn it.
Tyler said, oh shit. Okay, there's a shortcut. And I screw up.
God damn it. I wanna try.
Fuck. Yeah, fuck that. I'm gonna go ahead and race this.
Time's up. The melons.
Oh, fuck that.
Fuck your mouth.
Clear.
First try.
Yeah, I know. God, that was painful.
Oh,
Yeah.
yes!
I'm getting better at these. Wow.
Oh god, he's still trying. Come on, man. You can do it.
Slow and steady wins the race.
You can do it,
Well,
buddy.
it stars you over here.
Space.
Spies!
Oh no.
Oh yes.
What's that other game?
Fuck. Uncle Carry extra one? We accidentally go too fast.
There we go. I did it.
Clear.
This morning, I did stop.
I'm usually so
Seven,
good
more
at
like
this.
70.
Clear.
Is he still here?
Remember, guys, like melons. They're good for your soul.
Where are you? Oh, you actually made it? You actually made it?
Ready.
Oh, that's good.
Race.
Waste! Oh,
Good job,
fuck
guys.
this.
Come on now, it ain't that hard. On my first attempt of this, I kind of bouncers.
Clear.
There you are. As long as you beat Kokiri, you're good. As long as you beat Kokiri, you're good. Because he had time to practice. You didn't.
Do it, but it didn't work.
Hmm.
Ball. I agree.
Clear.
There we go. As long as you beat him, we're doing good.
Melon mania.
Fuck the melons.
Clear.
Hmm. That seemed like you were close. Closer to the finish before me.
How is that possible?
Because we said fuck
How
you.
did
Just go off the ledge.
Ready.
How did y'all go up the
Start.
here? Ow. That's so sad.
Hmm.
Ball.
Yep, Rainbow beat me on this one.
Clear.
I beat him. I beat him.
Are you sure? The 404.
Oh no. It's this map. It has to cheat.
Clear.
Damn.
Nice.
Damn, you actually kicked two of the best players on this one.
Yeah, nice.
Good fucking. That is great, little guy.
But it's
I don't
not
even know
over
if you-
yet.
Oh, I know, but that is still good. That is still
Yeah,
good.
that's awesome.